Okay. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Can we start? Actually, because 37 are connected. Just a minute. No, I think it's not there. Okay, let me start. I welcome all for the FDP on inserting mathematics equations on Moodle. I'm going to show three techniques or the methods for inserting maths equation. Out of that, two methods work on both Moodle and Google Form, and the third one is only with Moodle. So I proceed to the first method, equation editor. Before that, I will show you Word file. From this Word file, I'm going to let I show you this Word file. Here are few of the MCQs I prepared, and out of this, actually I selected this fourth MCQ. The reason is only it have a number of maths equations there. So I will show you this fourth MCQ on a Moodle, how it looks. Let me see by the equation editor. So let me move here on a LMS Moodle. So this is our, actually this one is a Mathematics 1 course in Mathematics 1 course. Okay. I already made one sample quiz here. Not only in a sample quiz, in any of the activity, we can insert the maths equation. So I'm taken here in the quiz mainly. So let I show you. Here is the first question. So the first question by the equation editor will look like this. This is actually the content that I typed for this first thing is nothing but it is f of gx is equal to mod of sin x. This is the thing that we written here. And the second is written, sorry, first one is the g of fx is mod sin x. And second is f of gx is equal to square of sine root x, okay, or sine root x bracket square. So that are the things we written. So yes, definitely whatever we are typing here, that will not, it will convert in the maths equation there. I will show you the preview, then you will come to know how that, this is the same question that is on Moodle right now. So this is our question here and 4 options are there. Okay. So yes, I will show you how to type this on the Moodle once we finish introduction for this method. Okay. So I will close the preview. Yes. Okay. So yes, that question number 4 I shown on Moodle. Let I move here. Okay. So this equation editor is inbuilt editor of the Moodle. It uses LaTeX commands, can be used for both Moodle and Google Forms. It is not WYSIWYG, means in this case, what you see is not what you get. Okay, due to this only, many people don't like this editor. And you can remember what you observed there when, just a minute, I will show you. To get that square root x, to get the square root x, I use there backslash first, this backslash, and then sqrt. This is for the sqrt of x like this. So this will give you a square root of x. Okay. To write this square root of x, there is a command like backslash sqrt and then curly bracket x there. So this is the reason what you see is what you get, or in this case actually what you see is not what you get, and that is a problem with the LaTeX actually, and because of that only many of the peoples don't like LaTeX also. Okay, but yes, this method actually concentrate on the content and not on formatting. It means editor will give auto space, and we should not worry about formatting. Okay, so even though we have some extra space or we forgot to give the space in between the operators, so it is automatically take care about the spacing. Again, yes, obviously this writes a complex mathematical formulae with ease. Okay. Now, if we want to insert equation directly in any activity of the Moodle without opening the editor window, we have to write that equation in backslash open bracket or backslash square bracket. So first one is this open bracket, and next is the backslash square bracket there. Here, one of the example given to write a upon b. Okay, to write the fraction or this a slash a upon b, we can use the two commands here. First of all, the backslash open bracket is used, then a. This backslash over is actually the command for the division, okay, or to get that a upon b form. Or there is alternative way also is there, that is a backslash fraction of a and b. Okay, so these curly brackets will not come there. It comes only a upon b again. One more thing on in LaTeX actually, or in equation editor, whenever we have to write an equation on a next line, we have to put two backslash. Okay, two backslash gives us a new line. On the new line, we can type it. Okay. The list of LaTeX symbol available on the Google. One of the link is given here. Okay, there are many more PDFs available on the Google. One of the link is shown here. I will show you that same link PDF here. So this is that PDF whatever I shown or I given in the, this one is, so all symbols, if we want a hat, this one, this symbol, we should write backslash hat and then curly a there. Okay, in curly bracket a there. So that way, in the curly brace a, sorry. So that way you can get this reference there. Now I will move on the Moodle here. So I will show you the equation editor. To see all the add-ons on Moodle, actually, yes, we should expand this window. So if we expand this window, we get more add-ons here on the bottom side. This one is the add-on for the equation editor. Okay, here is the equation editor. When you click on it, it gives us the 4 tabs. The first tab is of the operator. Okay, some of you may thought that you have to by heart all the commands there. There is no need to by heart the command, because if you click on the equation editor window, now if you want to write less than or equal to sign, you just click there on that less than or equal to, automatically this command you will get it here. That is backslash LEQ. Backslash LEQ is for less than or equal to. And its preview, you can see it here in the bottom there. Okay, this is the preview here that you will observe here. And this down arrow, actually down arrow is the cursor position. This is just a cursor position. So you can get that preview here, and then you save equation, then that equation will be inserted on that in that activity there. Okay, so here you will find all the operators first. First window is for the operator. Let I see someone's on the chat whether they are asking. Just a minute. Okay. Yes, chat is here. Okay, all are saying good morning only. Okay, no worries. So that about the first tab here. Second tab is for the different types of the arrows here. You will find these arrows, and if you want, yes, just click on that and you will get the corresponding command there, and you will get corresponding preview here also. Okay. Third tab, the third tab is of the Greek symbol. Okay, commonly used are like pi, infinity. Okay, these are theta, these are the symbol. So commands are so simple actually. The just backslash theta gives you the theta, Greek symbol theta, backslash pi, that is pi. Okay, capital P and then I, that is capital pi. Okay, that way. Okay, so all these Greek symbols you can get it. I will show you here capital pi. So this is the capital pi, and you see the previews are coming in the preview window here in the bottom. The last tab, the fourth tab of the equation editor is the advanced tab there. So in this advanced tab, you will get all these things like integration, derivatives, or that limit. Okay, all that things you can create here with this advanced tab. Right now, if you want something like, suppose I want here, I'm going to take one equation like square root of fourth root of 4096. Okay, this is not a calculator. Actually, you have to give the answer is equal to 4. Or is it 4? No, it is 8. Okay. So you'll find this preview at the bottom there. Okay, this is fourth root of 4096 is 8. And when you say save equation, you will find that equation. Okay, this is actually inserted in between because, yes, I will take it at the. So you'll find this corresponding command for the same fourth root of 4096 is equal to 8. So this is the command for writing that square root. Okay. Back there in the advanced tab. So that about the square root, yes, summations you can write it, integration, definite integral. Okay. Indefinite integral also you can write it, just remove the limit part there. So here is a here is for the indefinite integral. If you don't want the limits, you can remove that a and b there from this one. So you'll get indefinite integral. Line integral, okay. Line integral, fractions are there. So directly if you want the fraction command, yes, you can click on that. You'll get fraction of a upon b plus c there. Okay, a upon b plus c there. So this way, one of the command that few of mainly we mathematics persons we require mainly, that is for matrices or matrix, or not only matrix, determinant and that things. So right now this is a symbol for determinant. So here if I want to change the bracket instead of determinant symbol, I can do it left that is a box bracket, or this one is I will change this left side, right side. See, the parenthesis matching is a very important in LaTeX. If you have left side that square bracket, right side must be that square bracket only. If left hand side is a round bracket, right hand should be the round bracket only. If the parenthesis will not match, then it will give you error there, or it will not give you the maths equation simply. So that about first of all, but right now still I think there is some mistake I made because preview is not showing. So left.
Sir, LEFT.
Yes, LEFT. I missed that T. Correct. Thank you. Okay, so you can see now it is showing you the, but and is the operator which is used to separate the column, and double backslash is for the new row. So if I take double backslash there, so it gives you the new row, and it give 2 by 2 matrix now. Okay, the first one is like 1 by 4 matrix. Now it converted to 2 by 4 matrix. By double slash, you will get a new row there. Okay, and then again, if you save it, yes, you will get that in the this one in our regular activity window. Okay, so this way this equation editor works. I already written few of the commands in the PPT. I will show you that for few of the equations. So I'm shifting here on next slide. Okay, so if you want to write 2 square plus 2 square equal to 4. So yes, this is a command. You can directly write it. But if you want to write in equation editor window, you should write only this middle part. Okay. See, just a minute. Directly on any activity, you should start with backslash and round bracket, and then close with again backslash round bracket there. if you go in the editor window, you don't need to put these things. Okay, these things not required in the editor window. Just the middle part is enough, and equation editor window automatically gives you that brackets there. Similarly, you will find the remaining commands there for writing square root or e raised to x plus iy, then union of the set. Okay. Actually, the formula, I think I not written correctly. The left side should be n of a union b. Okay, that is my mistake actually. N of a union b in that formula. Okay, so that is a, but you can see the same, whatever the thing we have that we can type by this command. Okay. So this about the equation editor. But in suppose in equation editor, we are interested to change the font size. Okay, just move it. So if we are interested to move the font size, so there are few commands which are used, and corresponding size is shown here. So if you take \tiny, you'll get this type of the font, and the largest font size is available like this. So this is actually in the LaTeX you are getting means you have more options for the font size in the LaTeX mainly, but in Moodle we have little limited, means all this command works in the Moodle. Okay, so if you say \huge and then in curly bracket, whatever the thing you want to type it, and it shows you the huge large font size there. Okay, so remember, whenever you use any LaTeX command, first thing it should start with a \, then command name, and then curly brackets. In the curly bracket, whatever you want to write, you can write it there. So that about for the font size. Also, if you want different font styles, okay, in the Moodle or in the LaTeX, yes, you can use these commands, and you will get bold text, italic, okay, emphasis, then underline, etc. All these things you can get it by this command. So here also that \, and curly brackets are used. So in between that dot, you can write your equations or your content. Okay. So that about font style. And one more thing is there. If we have to give the variable size of the braces. Hello. For the variable size of the braces, we can use this command that change the size of the braces there. So if you want the big brace, okay, I will show you. Otherwise, just I will do one thing. Yes. So here is.
No, it seems that you would not like to be with me.
Just a minute. So I missed something. Okay, bullet is there, probably. Okay, again, in this case, yes, as we are writing directly on this window, so we should start with \, round bracket, and at the end, that \, the round bracket is completed. And now if you see the preview, first I will save the changes and let I show you the preview. So here is a preview, and you will observe the size of the braces they are different. Okay, they are different. So whatever that blue rectangular box you are observing, this is not the part of Moodle actually. This is one add-on I added on my Google account, Equation. Because of that, it is showing it. Okay, so that about variable size of the braces here, that also we can get it. Okay. Now, Yes, the method too. Now we should thanks to math type, and also we should thank to the Avinash for installing this add-on on the Moodle. As this is a very simple way of inserting equations on Moodle. Otherwise, all you may think that LaTeX is a little difficult, but this one is a simple method that we have. First of all, this is a simple method, works in the Moodle, but not on the Google form. So those who are interested to type maths equation on Google form, math type is not useful for them. Okay, so but it is a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get now. So because of that, many people like this editor. Okay, because whatever you are typing, exactly same thing you are going to get it there only.
उधर क्या है उधर
Pardon? Pardon?
प्रैक्टिकल डिफिकल्टी बहुत है
देखा हुआ वैसे क्वेश्चन नहीं देखा नहीं
मैं भी देखा उनके साथ बैठे उधर ही किए थे
उधर क्या था
Okay, I think okay.
हो जाएगा तो
वो
I will mute. Just wait.
था ना अब मेरे कैबिन में उधर एक तो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग है तो उधर 2 ही चेयर है फिर आपको क्या है कि उधर
Yes. Okay. I thought someone is asking some doubts there. Okay. Uh, so this is a WYSIWYG actually. So what you see is what you get. There is no commands. I already muted all. Who is there? Okay, there is no command. So directly you have to type it there. But it converts to the image. Whenever we type it, it converts to the image. And when you cannot copy and paste at a different places and edit it. The reason is when you copy and paste at some other place, it goes like an image there. Okay, so that's the problem. Yes, at the same place you can edit. At the same place you can edit later on that equation. But if you want to copy that equation and paste somewhere else, then it converts to the image there. And the most important thing in math type, you should take care of this math style versus text style. I will tell about that in detail on the Moodle mainly. Okay, so let I show you the math type editor window. Okay, okay, let I come back here. So again, we should expand so that we can see all the add-ons. This is the add-on added. This is already added by Avinash. Okay, not only maths add-on, he also added a chemistry add-on also. Formulas for the chemistry also we can add it. This is near about similar add-on there that you have. Little extra things are available or little different things are available on both add-on. Related to chemistry, you will get there. So here is a maths add-on. When you type it, sorry, when you click on this, let I expand. So now near about 10 tabs you will get in the math add-on there. So first tab, you will get most commonly used equations. Okay, for commonly used equations, generally we always need fractions, square root, superscript, subscript. Okay, then round bracket, close, that is square bracket, etc. And these are some commonly used operators again, less than or equal to, pi, infinity, phi. Okay, all that. So if you want to type, suppose a upon b, just you click there, type a there, take a down arrow and put it b there. So you got a upon b, and just you press OK, you will get a upon b in your activity window there. Okay, so that about you will get the equations. There is a few more things are there. If you want to type like Urdu from right to left, yes, you click there and then you type there. just like if I type my name, so it will go from left to the right there. Okay, so that way. So these are the things are there. So the main thing, yes, I will show you. I'm writing one equation right now. Let I say x square plus 5, I would write it. If I write this x square plus 5x plus 6, let I write this quadratic equation. Okay, so say equations, I will write equal to 0. Now, the mistake that I made here is I taken a text style. Okay, this is not the math style of writing the equation. If you observe the change in math and text style, I will show you. So mainly you will find this change when you write something like, I taken already that A upon B. So I will insert first this. This is a text style already I am showing here. So I press OK. You got here one of the equation, but mainly you will observe X here. Okay, so X you will get little different, but generally you should select first font, classic font size for math style here. Okay, this classic font style give you the math style here. And now if you write that equation, x square, you will find the method. Generally in maths, we have this italics form of the variables there. Okay. Sorry. This one is here, and you will observe when you write A upon B. So two equations I'm writing separately, and now you will see the change in the first and the second. First one is a text style and second is a math style there. Okay, so generally you should select the classic font size for math style. A few of the equations really looks a little different if you go in the text style. Okay, so better you write in the math style there. So that about the first tab here. There is one extra tab available on the right side here. It is a handwriting mode. So if you're not interested to insert the notations, what you have to do it, just you have to write on this. Okay, for example, if I want to write some fraction, say x square. Okay, just I will delete it. X square plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 7. Okay, suppose I want to write this fraction. So you will get this fraction on the bottom there. And just if you press OK, you will get that in the activity window. So you have the you will have that handwriting mode also available there. So you can write on that window and equations will be added directly there. Okay, so that about the first tab. Second tab, now first one is most commonly used tab. Second tab, you will have yes, a few operators here. Third is for the different types of the arrows again. Next, we'll have the Greek symbol. Then we have for matrices, determinant matrices. Okay, you can create tables with this. Then we have superscript, subscript, and all other things here. If you want to write something inside the circle, for example, if you want to write here like so like this, you can write in circles. You can write in a square. You can strike from left to the right. Okay, all that things are available. And if you want to cross, yes, just select entire. And now if I type, it will cut there. Okay, so this one is the way you can use that symbols. There are this next tab is for the summations and the products. So different types of summations, products, you can write it there. Then you will have integration, derivatives, limits, then curl, divergence, gradient operator. You have integration, double integration, line integral, surface integral. Okay, then trigonometric functions also. So I already said that if you not only in math type, in equation editor also, if you write only SIN, that will not give you the math style there also. If you take \sin, then only it give you a trigonometric function sine there. Okay, so \ is a very important there. And this last tab is here. Whenever you write something, for example, I take sine x here, sine of x. Suppose I take this one, and then I will take, suppose, natural log of x there. And this last tab is actually for adjustment purpose. If you want to, if you are not happy with the alignment and you want something on align, so just press these arrows and you will take anywhere you want and then you insert it. Okay, just like you go, okay, that way. So this will give you the alignment there, alignment of that text with that tab there. Okay, so that about our second editor here, math type 1. So I will close this window, cancel it. Okay. So this one is the second editor that we have. This here is a chemistry add-on, and that is a similar. You'll find the similar tabs are there, only that extra chemistry tabs are available there. Okay. Now I'll move to the last method. So third method that we have is one of the, yes, simplest method. So I kept it at the last. Yes, we can insert an image. This is a simple method, works on both Moodle and Google Form also. On Google Form also you can insert the images. But the problem is with this method is you cannot edit the equation directly at that same place. You have to again create a new image and then you have to again insert that. That is the problem. Another thing, in MCQs, that's okay. But whenever you have to, you are creating a large, you are typing some large text there, and in between you have to insert some image, then alignment problem is there with that image there. So because of that, you have to create entire page as an image and then you have to upload it. Okay, so mainly in the other activities. So that time also, if you want to type directly on Moodle, that time instead of image you can type and you can use MacType or you can use equation editor. But for MCQs, yes, you can use any of the three things. You can use a snipping tool or you can from PDF take a snapshot and paste it and you will get that MCQ there. So if you want some demo of the last method, yes, I will show you. Otherwise, I think it's not so big actually. I already completed. These are the things. Majority of the things are from equation editor. Other methods are so simple, straightforward. Anyone can directly learn their own also. Okay, but as per the request of that APC ME, he requested to take take some good add-on for Moodle. So when I suggested this math type, yes, Avinash added that on the Moodle. There are many other add-ons also available for mathematics, but yes, math type is one of the simple, I think. So I hope you found this useful. Thank you. If you have the doubts or if you want some more hands-on on the Moodle right now on inserting equation, yes, you can ask. I will show you. Okay, thank you. If questions, please, if you have. Okay, demo on email. Okay, Pal sir is saying. Okay, thank you. Anjali madam. Okay. Okay, Wallace, thank you. Okay, Pal sir, just I will show you the demo for the image. Yes. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, if you want to do some, yes, one thing I want to show you, all the three questions already I typed with the same question I typed with, I will say, all the three methods. So I will show you all these three. I'll just, first I will show you, and then I will show quickly, within 2 minutes, I will show you that demo on the image mainly. Okay, yes. So I will come here in the preview. So you'll find this three questions there. The first question is by, okay, I made some error is there because probably I removed that bracket from there. Yes, round bracket I removed. So this is the error it is showing. This is the first one is by equation editor. Second one is by math type. Okay. And the third one is from the image. You'll see the change in the image. That completely looks images there with background there, white background. So the same question is shown in the three different ways. Okay. Now just I will show the demo here. I will add a question here. A new question, MCQ, add. So I will give some names, say function 4. Okay. Now suppose I will take of the question from here that I first. If this is the text I want, if this is the question I want in the activity there, quiz activity, so I will take a snipping tool also. This is you can take it from PDF also. Okay, so just snipping tool we are using here, new image, and now I am taking copy of that. But what happens right now, already cursor is there, so cursor will also come there. So what I will do it, I will first minimize it. I'll keep the cursor somewhere else, and I will. I don't want that green line below it. So now I will take a new image, and here, this one is the image I selected. Now I will right click, copy, and come to the Moodle and Control V, paste. So question is completed here by the image. Okay. Now, if you want options here, so again, the same thing, just go for the choices and come back here. If you want first option, you want to give there, and you don't want that green line, ignore once, come back here, snipping tool, new image, and you can select it. Right click, copy, and you can paste it. Control V. Now you can see that image here. Okay, you have this first option. Okay, and this way you can complete it. I will give here as a 100%, and I will show you the previous remaining options also. You can paste it here. I will show you the preview mainly, and you'll come back. Okay, it's taking time actually. Okay, other options are not given, and because of that, I think it is showing incomplete. Okay, yes, there should be some options there. Okay, like this. One more thing, if I say, yes, obviously this is the image only. You can copy, you cannot directly like copy, and I think if I paste somewhere there in other option, Yes, you can paste it. Images you can paste, but obviously you cannot edit. And now I will save changes, and now I will show you a preview here. So here is a preview for that question. This is the images there. Okay, all they are the images here. Yes, I hope is there anything else? Any doubt?
Yeah, nicely explained, Sachin. Pandya sir is asking a question.
Okay.
He wants differentiation on equation editor.
Okay, differentiation. Yes, yes. I will show you. Equation editor you want. Okay. It is not so different actually. Just you should remember. So you take round bracket. Okay. Then backslash. Then you can take just a minute. Just a minute. I made a mistake. Backslash, round bracket. Then there are two ways now. If you want differentiation, then one of the command we've seen already, a upon b. So you can take d by dx also. Like you can take backslash fraction, backslash fraction of d over dx. Okay, this is the d by dx. And then you want some function. Suppose the function is x square plus 2. That's one. And now we have to close it also. So backslash and again round bracket. And now this is a d by dx of x square plus 2. So derivative we can see here. Save the changes and see the preview now. Where is the preview? Okay. Okay, here is a mistake I made. Okay, so right now it is not showing d by dx. Okay, I will come back. We'll see where we made a mistake here. Okay. Or one more thing is there. You can go in editor directly. Okay, here is an editor window, and fraction is okay. I will type that because here you can see the preview at the same time. So you will see where we are making mistake. Yes, here is extra bracket. I mistake that here. So this is the bracket I not taken. Now you will observe this is d by dx. Just a minute. D by dx of x square plus 2. Okay. So why again? Yes. Here I will take. No. Actually, it does not have any problem for this extra spaces, but still I am checking whether, okay, this x square plus 2 probably that bracket may create the problem. Now I will take some round bracket or I will delete that bracket. Let I check. Now you have, but oh yes, these brackets, they're not required because we are now in editor window. So these brackets are not needed here. Now you will observe the ddx of x square plus 2. Are you got there? And now if you save changes and continue editing, and now you will get that derivative there. Where is that preview? Yes. Here you will observe ddx of x square plus 2. Yes, you can do it.
Yeah, clear idea now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, welcome, sir. Okay. Is there any other thing anyone want to see? Okay. Okay, then I think there is no doubt, no issue then. Thank you all of you. Okay. Shailendra sir, can I close then? Can I end the meeting? No, the sir is not there. Okay. Okay, then thank you. Thank you, all of you. I will end this meeting.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Where is the end? Yes.
Thank you.
Hare, welcome. Why it is not coming? End.